Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to add words to iPhone autocorrect dictionary. Why it is important now? Because there are many times, we like to use our own words or shortcuts or code word, and that time iPhone's autocorrect interrupts and it become mess, right? But here we can replace it. We can add our own autocorrect words. So next time whenever we are typing our own words or own type words, it will not correct to other word. So now how to do it? Let's start the video and check out it. For that, do one thing, open a settings. In settings, scroll down and open general. In general, scroll down and you'll find an option called keyboard. Open the keyboard. Once you open the keyboard, here you'll find an option called text replacement. Tap on that and open it. And here by default there might be few words added already. If not, let's create a new one. To create a new one or to add a new word, do one thing, tap on plus icon at a right side top corner. Once you tap on a plus icon, you'll see two options here, phrase and a shortcut. For example, a phrase can be good morning and a shortcut can be a GM. So next time when you type GM, automatically your iPhone will autocorrect it and type or enter the good morning word. Similarly, you can type the word, type the phrase here and shortcut, and the shortcut can be optional here, not compulsory. So to add a new word to autocorrect, just go ahead and type your word here. It can be anything like code word, any your own word. Next time your iPhone will not autocorrect it, it will type as it is there. So add the new word, add the phrase, so add the new word and it will be saved in your iPhone's autocorrect. So that's it. It's very simple process, simple step. I hope you got the video, and if you got the video, if you like this video, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.